Hello, my name is Connor Hobbs. I was on the team with Tom and Jarrett, and we called ourselves the Cash Coders here at Utah State, and we had an absolute blast with this hackathon. In fact, we were pretty excited for it. 2 weeks ago, I got us all together to do a little meeting, and over the course of the last 2 weeks, we met 4 different times to try to plan out what our project might be, how we might go about doing things, what the expectations were for each player or each of us on the team. And it was really fun and entertaining to prepare, but it was a huge bombshell when we found out that we'd be coding a game and developing a game. None of us had too much experience in that realm, so it was definitely something that we learned a ton about. And definitely I had to push myself outside of my comfort zone for it. My team prepared a ton. We actually had a 4-page document going into the hackathon that we kind of had to scrap and pivot because we didn't know we'd be coding a game. We were planning on making a GPT bot for small companies to use it for their financial analysis on their income statements and balance sheets. And so I currently am working at a venture capital firm, so I do a lot of financial analysis and pro forma for small companies. And so that was the direction that we were going to take it. I kind of got to take on the role of the product manager. I did get to help a little bit with coding. It definitely pushed me to learn a lot of those aspects, which was amazing. Our engineer, Tom, helped me to learn quite a lot of new things. I got to learn things like Blender. I'm gonna pull up a clip now of the game that we got to build and that we had a ton of fun with. So you'll see, I'll speed it up just a little bit. Okay, perfect. We got the game pulled up for you. You can see it just a little bit. Sorry, the recording is a little blurry here, but we call it Marble Dash. So that was a loading screen right before that you saw that people can join using the game code just for the sake of recording. It doesn't have any audio in it, but multiple players would join the lobby theoretically, and you would come down. There's going to be obstacles like those tires. It took us forever to program those tires so that you would bounce off them like a rubber tire. There's some spinning walls here and a moving platform that the marble can jump onto. Right, the whole concept of it is that there would be upwards of 15 to 100 players, and as you fall off the ledge, we programmed that huge wall or that huge lava pit under it to make it a death scene, so that you would die if you fall in the lava and you wouldn't just get reset, and you would do continuous laps. There was a ton of things I felt like I learned, but I got to go in at the end and make an entire business model of what we would do moving forward. We actually made 4 different tracks to this game, and we made different marble colors, we made different texture packs, we made different background packs that we just didn't get to upload for sake of time, but we definitely do that and then start advertising and making in-game purchases if we were ever to launch this on an app store. But again, it was a lot of fun. Thank you for the project.